Hey, Torpedo Pot family. My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of Torpedo Pot. I bet you've never seen anything like this before. Corn, right? Corn, literally growing with, and it's about to get a stalk with beets and petunias. Corn, beets, and petunias growing together. That's what Torpedo Pot is. It's a self-growing planting system that grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. It grows everything for you. It's beautiful. Rather be trees and plants, it does everything. Let's go we're gonna get some beets and see what some beets look like. Let's go find out. Look at that, baby boys. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, yeah, I come out and I pick them all the time. Boy, I just pull them right out, and they're so big. I love it, they go deep. Enough for me. Let's see what you got over here. Wow, look at that one. Jeez, that's pretty big, man. These are torpedo pots, guys. So, see, I always have food. Because all I do is put my seeds and my plants in those planters, and it grows my food for the rest of my life. I never have any problems. So, I can't wait till this corn develops. That's going to be gorgeous. Isn't that going to be beautiful? That's going to be gorgeous. Now, this is just one corn plant in this 16-inch, 20-inch, and 25, well, 3 plants in a 25-inch planter. And they're all just doing so well. They're doing so well. I love my food. My food is beautiful. I love my food. I'm very grateful for my food. It's absolutely stunning. Torpedo Pot, the world's first self-growing planter. I never water, I never feed, and yet it grows my food for me, and it does a great job. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't my corn beautiful? Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters. And they grow your food for you. You never, ever have to grow your food again. And they are amazing. Truly, truly amazing. Talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.